Hi guys, this is Darshan and you are watching Darshan Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to use some of the hidden features in Skype. Let's go. So first you need to open Skype and sign in to your Microsoft account or Skype account. I'll be showing you how to do three things today. Put more than one emoticon in your status, how and then uh, make someone an admin or a user in a group, and set a ban list in a moderated group. Let's go. First, to set more than one emoticon in your status, click over here, then click here. So here you can set the first emoticon if you click on it, and then for the second one you need to get the code of the emoticon, which will normally be in brackets, like over here, like here. So now I'm going to choose this Kylo Ren, so I just have to put the text in there, Kylo Ren. Click done. Now I have two emoticons in my status. Now let's go see how to make someone a admin or a user. Here you can add the people you want in a group. So first click slash, and first before we go to this set role, I'll just show you what the other things do. So this is called emote text. So I can type something, I'm saying hello, and for emoticons you can use brackets like I showed you, and this is how it comes. And over here you can make a poll. So first title, then options, and if you select this and press enter, you will leave the conversation, and this will show the members of the group. This is useful when you're trying to make someone a admin or a user. So I'll copy that, and then this will start a call, and this will clear the recent emoticons that you've used, and this will print the current version of Skype. So let's go see set role. So put in the Skype ID, and you can set the person as user or admin. Make sure you put a capital here and no extra spaces here, and enter. And it should have changed my role to a user. Now let us go see how to set the ban list in moderated groups. Again, you can add people to your group there. So again, go click slash. So this used to be there. This, all this used to be there, but these three are new. So this kick ban means you'll be removing a chat member and it won't allow them to join again. So this is the ban list. So this will give you the name, the Skype IDs of the banned users from this chat or whatever chat you're using. So here you can set what all the members are banned from the chat. So you can just say plus space Skype name and just click enter. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Darshan Tech Tips. See you later.